Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, August the 15th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional. We have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, there are 18 million people here in the Netherlands. Yeah, 18 million. That's a lot for a small country. Yes, okay, 18 million. The first one is a 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 9095. 9095, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has always 25, this one 27, 2 digits more, should be a 1 star. For a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, the question is this a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this middle row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this column, first column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in the last column, 6 in the in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so this box can be 6 in the row. That box should be a 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 there. I'm thinking. 1, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 5. 4 missing numbers in the last column. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in the last column. Should be there. 3, 4. Then, let me see. 8, 8. I need a 5. I need a 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, and look, we have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, so 1 is left in this big square for the number 5. 5, 5, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Okay. 2. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 4 is should be there. 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place left for 3 should be there. 3. 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. And then 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. I need a 9 here. Oh, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in that column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 in the 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, then let me see. 2, 3, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the second column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 7, 7. How about? Yeah. 2 numbers left in the third column. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Then 1 box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 5, 2, 4, 7. Alright. How about? Ooh, 8 here. And I need a. Come on. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for that 1 should be here. 1 there, we have 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1, okay. Now, how about? Yeah. I believe we have a pair. The 4 and the 7 in this column. The 4 and the 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only place left for the 4 is should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And we have a pair again, 2 and 8 in the first row, 2 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes, definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.